Today we're making the Krabby Patty.
Oh my god. How did I do this before?
The Krabby Patty is literally one of the most guarded formulas in history. And we're gonna make it, and we're gonna find and use the secret ingredient today to make it.
I think it all goes back to what Gordon Ramsay said about making food, that you should know what it should taste like. And I think that's one of the biggest problem with making this burger, the Krabby Patty, is that we don't know how it should taste like. So how exactly are we gonna make something that we never had before?
Okay guys, so you want to start with, you got 1 cup of your beef, and you want to just take that and you want to start shaping it into your burger. You want to make sure that it's not too small and not too clumped up, so when it cooks, because it's gonna shrink, you know, we don't want no Krabby Patty that's all shrinking up. Now when you got this, take a couple salt, put your salt in, get your pepper. You don't want to put too much because then you're gonna have a salty Krabby Patty. We don't want that. That's Plankton's recipe. That's Plankton's recipe. And now we're gonna use our secret formula, secret ingredient. I can't tell you what it is. I'm really sorry, but it will be in the description below. So of your secret ingredient, you don't want to put too much, but this is perfect. Just spread it out evenly throughout your burger. Okay, so you want to turn on your stove and you want to put it on a high heat, just like SpongeBob, how he has his stove. And then you want to pour in your onions, thyme, and your celery. Thank you, Rene. You want to pour that in and let it cook for a little bit before you put in your oil, just to get all its juices and stuff. And then you want to pour in 1 tablespoon of your oil after 30 seconds to a minute. Really let it cook. Those juices are really important for the burger. Yeah, that's a good smell. Somebody make this into a candle. That's nice. Now you want to pour in your 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil or olive oil, vegetable. Grab your burger and place it down away from yourself. You gotta do it do it. There you go. That looks like a Krabby Patty. So it's finished cooking. Look how good that looks, first of all. Appreciate it, love it. But now you want to add your lettuce, tomatoes, onion, ketchup, mustard, cheese, mayonnaise, and don't forget the pickles. Okay guys, so if you guys are wondering, me and Rene are gonna get it as close to this picture as we can. And we're also gonna not forget the pickles and get the pickles like that. So you want to start with your pickles. You want to get both pickles. It's really important, guys. I hope I don't mess up, but you want to get one eye, second eye, smiley face. Okay. One eye, second eye, smiley face. Okay. I thought I'd mess that up. Grab your cheese. You want to put a cheese blanket on top of your little fellas, you know. I'm just gonna cover them. They're gonna suffocate. Okay. Then you put your onions, tomato, put your lettuce. Put this lettuce. Before you put your bun, you got some fresh new mayonnaise. Put your mayonnaise. Not too much, but that's good. That's good. That's good. Some more ketchup. It's not coming out. There we go. Not a lot. Because now you have to put your mustard. Dude, I can't open any of these. Okay. One strip. Oh my god, that almost hit my face. 2 strips. And look. Ah, that is your, here's a bit. Krabby Patty. We did it. We actually, I'm a little shell shocked right now. We actually created a Krabby Patty. Krabby Patty. This is the final and complete Krabby Patty. And we're gonna eat it right now. I'm so excited. Okay.
That's really neat.
It's falling apart.
Alright, here we go.
Oh my god, my mouth is not that big and it just hurt.
Mmm. That is really good. Mmm. That secret ingredient? Yeah, definitely.
No, sometimes I see the Krusty Krab is empty. Dude, why? Why? This thing is amazing. I love this Krabby Patty, man. I'm probably gonna make it again sometime.
I'm definitely gonna make this.
It's a good burger. Shout out Mr. Krab. Shout out SpongeBob. Shout out Squidward. Shout out Sandy. Shout out
Patrick. He worked.
Patrick. Yeah, he worked a couple days.
Yeah, a couple days.
Shout out Larry the Lobster. Squidward, who's not a squid.
Shout out to
octopus.
Barnacle Boy.
Shout out Mrs. Puff.
Shout out to that guy who wanted chocolate so bad.
And we'll see you guys next week.